Namaste one and all, this is Mukesh Bijja from Saimedha and Space Engineering Academy. Now we are going to look at the next exam phase schedule. Those are preparing for the Polytechnic lecture ECE branch. The subject we are going to deal with the next schedule is electromagnetics and transmission lines. The first exam will be going to be conducted on the topic called vector calculus. Let me look at. Okay, alright. Vector calculus, and exam date for this vector calculus is on the 1st of April. And the 3rd of April we are going to have an exam on electrostatics topic. And next topic is magnetostatics. It is going to be conducted, and 5th of April. The timings, everything will be same. You need to follow the previous phase exam schedule. We are going to do that. And the one more request from our side is you please prepare the respective videos before going to write an exam. That is very important. Without a proper preparation, if you are writing an exam, it's meaningless. Okay. And after writing an exam, you need to be verify yourself with the answers, and if any mistakes, you please correct yourself, because what are the mistakes you are going to do in these exams will not be repeated in the final exam. If it is so, there is no use of writing exams. Please correct your mistakes in this exam and try to be more accurate in the final exam. Okay. And the next topic is time varying electromagnetic fields, which is going to be conducted on 7th of the April. And next electromagnetic waves, this will be conducted on 9th of April. And the topic transmission lines topic will be conducted on 11th of April. And 13th of April will be the topic called waveguides. Okay, right. So the last topic in this exam phase schedule is antennas, which will be conducted on 15th of April. Okay, and try to prepare well before going to write an exam, and wish you all the best for all these exams. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. This is Mukesh Bijja signing off.